Well, obviously I need my cup of coffee because, hold on, I gotta find the coffee. Aha! Success. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pathfinders Online Training with Hiya Labs, 2025 cohort number 3. Is that amazing or what?
Yes, welcome and good morning. This is us. We're the minions. So yay! Behind Jerry is Kathy. So
in the background.
So you can kind of see we're all over the place.
We need to be all over the social medias.
So here's our agenda.
Our first project together.
But wait, there's something really important I have to prepare you all for. David is really good at the whole dad humor kind of thing. If I can go ahead and prepare you to laugh.
Not going to work. You can't manufacture this kind of stuff. With that, we are going to dive right in to mission 4. Congratulate yourself for getting this far.
We're going to start with talking about growth mindset. Talked about debugging, and now we're going to get a chance to practice.
We are on mission 5, and that completes our objective. Yay.
So codex and pixel art, but if you have done your reflection, if you understand the work, you are free to go. We'll see you tomorrow.
Let's see if it looks like a heartbeat.